Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too. Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. In today's class, we will be discussing how we can compare the products. Okay. So tell me what how can we define product? Who is going to tell the definition of product? Yes, raise your hands. Hurry up. Okay, let's ask Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed. What is a product? Very well done. When we multiply two numbers, the answer is known as the product, right? For example, when we multiply 5 with 3, the answer is 15, and 15 is known as the product, right? So product is basically the result of multiplication of two numbers. When we multiply two numbers, the answer is known as product. Okay. Now in today's class, and then we practiced a lot of products as well, right? And I gave you a home assignment as well that you were supposed to make a multiplication table. How many of you have made that? Show it to me one by one. Okay, great. Good effort. Okay, so now you will keep this multiplication table in front of you while we will be practicing some more products in today's class as well. And similarly, we will also learn that how, let's say when we have two products, how we can compare them, right? Okay. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not, okay? Okay, class. Is it visible? Excellent. Can you identify these signs? What are they? Less than, greater than, and equal to signs. Very well done. How genius class I have. Okay. So can you tell me that when we have two numbers and we want to write that which one is greater, how will we use this sign? Yes. When we were discussing this topic previously, I told you a tip, a hint to do that. What was that hint? Let's say there is number 9 and then there is number 4. So which number is greater? So how will I use this sign? That the open part of the crocodile's mouth would be toward the greater number. Very well done, Sarah. Everybody clap for Sarah. See, Sarah, remember all of the tips and all of the hints. So the very best practice or the tip to remember that how we will be using this sign is that the open part of the crocodile mouth would be toward the greater number. Consider this as the crocodile mouth. Okay. And the open part of crocodile mouth would be toward the higher number. Okay. Now let's say if I write some more numbers, like how will I use this sign? I want to know that which one is smallest. So how will I be using the sign? Like this? Yes, very well done, right? So whenever we use the sign, we use this in the manner that the open part is toward the highest number and this closed part or the corner is toward the smallest number, right? See over here, 15 is smaller than 19, right? So the closed part or the corner, the tip is toward the smallest number and the open part is toward the highest number, right? Or the larger number. And then we have this sign. Let's say I write two numbers which are this. So now which sign we'll be using? Equal to sign. Very well done. Why? Because these two numbers are equal to each other. There is no difference between the two, right? When we use these signs, this means that there is a difference between the two numbers. Difference in what? Difference in their values, right? But over here there is no difference between the two numbers, so we will be using the equal to sign. Very well done. Okay, class. So now today we will be practicing some questions of this. Before moving over there, what I want you is to open your multiplication table. I'm going to share the screen with you as well. So I'm sharing the screen. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay, is it visible? Okay, in yesterday's class I told you the method of how we can find the products by using this multiplication table. How many of you remember that? Yes. What do we do? Let's say if I ask you to find the product of 9 cross 11, how will you find that? You will start moving in the 9 rows starting from here, and you will move till the column of 11. You will stop over here. See, 9 cross 11, and the answer is 99. Very well done. This is how we find the product, right? Okay, what if I ask you to find the product of 4 cross 12? So you will start moving from here. 4, stop till 12. 48 is the answer. Very well done. Okay, what if I ask you to find the product of 8 cross 11? You can, yes, you can, do this on the same manner from both sides, right? You can go from here as well, or you could go from here as well. What if I move from there? So I'll start moving in this 8 column, and I'll stop till 11. So the 8 cross 11 is 88. Very well done. Now I want all of you to open your book, page number 65. This is page number 65, and this says that write less than, greater than, or equal to in the boxes between each pair. There are some products given. What you will be doing, you will use this multiplication table to find the product. You will first see, let's say the first product is 3 cross 4. So you will look into this multiplication table that what is the answer of 3 cross 4. The answer is, let's say, 12. You will write the 12 with your lead pencil above it. 3 cross 4, right? Then the next is 5 cross 2. Look for the answer of 5 cross 2. The answer is 10, right? So you will be writing 10 over here. Now see which one is greater. By looking at the numbers, see which one is greater. 12. So the open part of the crocodile's mouth would be toward 3 cross 4. Very well done. This is the practice that we will be following. Let me show you this as well. Let me take out my lead pencil. Look at here. Let's see. This is the first product, which is 9 cross 5, right? Now you will look into the multiplication table that what is 9 cross 5. So the answer is 45. You will write 45 with the lead pencil over here. Now look for the next one. It's 5 cross 9. 5 cross 9 is also 45. Now compare these numbers. They are equal to each other. So you will be writing the equal to over here. This is how you will be doing it. Got it? Any confusion? Should we move forward? Okay, great. So continue. Who is going to tell the answer of the next product? Yes. The first one is 8 cross 4. What is the answer of 8 cross 4? Okay, I'm sharing the multiplication table again. Or do all of you have it with you? Okay, let me show you the products. You just open your own multiplication table. The multiplication table is over here in your book as well, right? So you can use this one as well. Okay, the next one is 8 cross 4. 8 cross 4. Look over here. You will move into the column of 8 till 4. 8 and then 4, and the answer is 32. So you will be writing 32 over here, and 10 cross 4. 10 cross 4 is 10 till 4. 10 cross 4 is 40. Then write 40 over here. Now tell me which one is that larger number? Which one is the bigger? 40 definitely. So the open part of the crocodile mouth would be toward 40. Okay. So now you will be doing the rest by yourself, and you will share your answers with me. Let's see what is the product of next. Okay, Abdullah will tell me what is the product of next. 8 cross 3, 24. Excellent. 4 cross 9, 36. Very well done. Which one is the higher? 36. So the open part of crocodile mouth would be toward 36. Very well done. Okay. Yes, Sarah, you tell me about the next one. 3 cross 9, 27. 4 cross 7, 28. So the crocodile mouth would be toward, open, toward 28. Very well done. Look at the next one. 6 cross 3, 18. 5 cross 5, 25. Which one is bigger? 25. Very well done. Okay, 2 cross 7. 14. Excellent. 5 cross 3. 15. Which one is highest? 15. Very well done. 7 cross 0. 7 cross 0. I told you that whenever we multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0, right? When we multiply two numbers in which one of them is 0, the product is 0, okay? And 2 cross 1, 2. So which one is highest? 2 definitely. 1 cross 1, 1. 0 cross 5, 0. Which one is higher? 1 definitely. 2 cross 1, 2. 10 cross 2, 20. Which one is higher? 20. Excellent. Everybody clap for yourself. Okay, so this was the practice according to the less than or greater than concept. Now, I'll ask you to quickly answer these questions by looking at the multiplication table. Who is going to tell me what is 8 cross 3? 24. Excellent. Aliza, you tell me 5 cross 2. 10. Very well done. Ahmad, you tell me 8 cross 10. 8 cross 10. 80. Excellent. Okay. Vasa, you tell me 2 cross 8. 2 times 8. 16. Very well done. 7 cross 4. Yes, 7 cross 4. Amna. 28. Very well done. 3 cross 9. Yes, Aliza. 3 cross 9. 27. Very well done. Okay, so you see, this is how we memorize the tables as well. Got it? Okay, so that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice the same products at your home as well. You can randomly multiply any two numbers and find the product, and then find which one is less than or greater than the other as well. Got it? Share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.